Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to push and pull. As example, I will create sketch with these rectangle tools. And to convert into 3D, we can use the push and pull. So you can click these icons, push and pull, select at face, and you can pull, like you can see the distance in here. I will set into 500 and you can press enter. So we extrude the sketch into 500. You also can set for the dimension, like at this point, 500. And if you want to increase into 1000, you can use pulse again. You can click this icon, select the face, and move to the top here. I will add into 500 again. Press enter, and it will be changed into 1000 for the extrusion. I will create again lines like from these points into here, and you also can extrude at this face. You can select, click again to the top here. I will set into 500 and you can press enter. To decrease, you can click in this face and move to the bottom here. I will set into 1000 and you can press enter. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial, how to push and pull. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.